Welcome everybody to my new channel, Cowboy Reloaded, which just launched earlier this week. My name is Cowboy, and I'm going to take you on the journeys of Minnesota to see the beautiful sights and scenery. And we're also going to go into some of my personal life as you get to see what I do aside from not only hiking and exploring Minnesota, but I also do some paranormal investigating. And you're going to maybe see some shows of mine as I am a DJ karaoke host as well. On this episode of Cowboy Reloaded, we're going to go into Minneapolis, Minnesota and visit Boom Island. This is going to be a nature hike that is very, very beautiful. A lot of scenery there. And we come across some spooky ookies along the way, as I did say that I am a paranormal investigator. Now, I am going to be honest with you. I had no intentions whatsoever to investigate the paranormal on this hike. None whatsoever. But I always bring my gear with me just in case, because I'm always prepared. So there is some cutscenes in here. This is not the original video. If you want to see the original video in its entirety, flip over to my other channel, Minnesota Ghost Wranglers. If you're into the paranormal and you want to see that, I greatly appreciate the love and support. Thank you, viewers and subscribers, for returning from Minnesota Ghost Wranglers to this channel as well. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I hope that you all enjoy this clip. Till we see each other again, see you on the flip side, and God bless. Okay, so we're going to go over this nifty little bridge here. We were told that it leads to a dirt trail. Minneapolis water taxi. Hey, we should take that someday. You just walk down there, probably. We'll probably take you around the river here. Probably dock right out here.
Yeah, the waters are pretty calm.
We are going to go to the left.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how deep this water is here. But off in the distance, I do see some boats. And I'm assuming the lighthouse we see right there is functional and probably helps direct the traffic for those boats. Okay, so we sat there and we tried the other side of the park here, and really wasn't much that we could see. So we're going to venture on to more of the park, and hopefully we can find more, and hopefully we can come up with something. I've never been here, so we're going to hope for the best. Coming up to Miss Leanne here.
Down that way?
Sure.
I don't know what's there, but we'll find out.
I think that trail over there just goes to that. So we'll go over here. We're going to venture down this trail here.
I'm trying to get close to the water.
Looks like we're heading a little
get together over there.
Walk down this trail. And then we're gonna walk way over there.
We'll see about that. Got some ferries over there, some boats, train crossing the railroad tracks over the bridge. Okay, coming up to some, I don't even know what these would be called, wall sculptures, half wall sculptures. Looks like we can get in on this side over here and try and get a little bit of a closer view. So there are pieces falling off of this. It's kind of sad that this is falling apart. So this is the old bridge that Miss Leanne was referring to that we had to cross. It's kind of a nice little bridge here. Looks like it's made out of steel or iron. Reminds me of those old bridges that trains would cross.
Yeah. Yeah, don't you know?
Oh yeah, don't you know? So now we're actually standing on top of that old bridge. What is this? This is the Mississippi River? Mississippi River.
And I'm sure if you keep walking this, you could end up at the Stonehurst Bridge if you wanted to.
Oh, I'm pretty sure. Place for swimmers to go swim there.
This park is big. Doesn't have a whole lot to look at, but goes on and on.
And now we're coming to the end of the bridge here. Whoa.
No, we're gonna keep going straight.
Oh, we could go up.
No, we're going that way. Well, do you want me to see what's up there?
Oh, we could go up there. Okay, so Miss Leanne just walked up the incredible steep stairs, and she says there's not terribly too much to really see up there, so I'm not going to go up there. Maybe later on our way back, but not right now. I don't want to wear myself out, considering that we still have a long ways to hike here. So we're going to keep pushing through and keep going forward. Well, I'm glad I wore shorts today. It is a hot one. Hot one. This is just a big ass trail that keeps going forever.
Yeah, we might have to turn back around here and see what's around the bend.
Well, folks, we're coming up to a fork in the road here. Do we take a left or do we take a right? All I know is this trail is going forever, and we really ain't going anywhere. We're just going on and on and on. And yeah, I actually think we might be coming up to the Stone Arch Bridge. Whoa! I just saw something right there. Now, you know, when I was at the Stone Arch Bridge, I mentioned before about Penny Weiss and where he lives. I think this is his second home. Right there. See if we can get a better view over here. There we go. That's his rental. That's his home away from home.
Not too far. I think we should take a right. Then again.
Well, if we take a right, then we're going to be going up probably towards residential area. If we take a left, I'm thinking we're going to be close to the river. Because there's a railroad up there.
Alright, we'll go left right here. Yeah, I don't know where we're at. Okay, there's a gold medal flower sign up there.
No, we actually can't go left.
Ooh.
Whoa, yeah, let's go left. Oh, this is cool. I am definitely going over here, and I don't care if I'm allowed over here or not. That's what exploring's about. Anyway, look what I just found. Well, it may be making you nervous, but hey, I gotta go out there. If you don't want to go out there, that's okay, Miss Leanne, but I gotta go out there.
Oh, let's wait till they're...
Now, what makes me nervous is there's a gentleman out there with a prosthetic leg crossing it. That's what makes me nervous.
And there's a guy coming with a dog, and it looks like the dog's too scared. How do people get way up there to scribble up there?
Graffiti, you mean?
Yeah, graffiti.
Don't know.
I'm not gonna like this. Oh, shit.
It's okay. Stay back if you need to. There's another set of railroad tracks. I think that's an actual running line. So I do believe that that is a live railroad track that is still active. And I am in the middle of one that is not existent. And I have to say, getting out here, it's kind of creepy. I'm not scared of heights, but when you're looking down, and you see that, then you have to be kind of careful on how to step. How in the world people get over there, or even up there, to do their colorful artwork graffiti is beyond me. And now we're at the end of the trail here for the railroad track. One of those trees were naturally, fell, or if they were put there for removal. heading on back to safer land.
We are on top of this old railroad track. I'm not going to cross it. I'm afraid of heights and looking down. But as you can see, there's other people crossing it. And there's some green graffiti over there on the walls. I don't know how they can get some of that stuff up there. But I think I'll stay back here. In the river. That was kind of neat in black and white. Here's that bridge that people were crossing over off to the left of us that connects to this railroad track. I don't know if these railroad tracks are still active, being used, but maybe we'll walk down these railroad tracks. I don't know which way that goes. Maybe Central Avenue? I'm not sure. Again, the city's all around us. Again, downtown Minneapolis. Or maybe we will take this trail. We'll see where it goes. There's a little shot of me standing lower up underneath the tracks that people are walking over, facing the water. I could walk down further, but I don't want to. It's too steep. A lot of graffiti. You can see the graffiti. see this. This bridge is 1901. RB Tweedy. Built by the Butler Ryan Company, St. Louis.
I'm not sure if this is picking up too well or not, but there is a big branch tree right there in the middle of the water, completely stripped of the oak, it looks like. I don't know if it's been there for years or not, or if that's the way it grew. That is just something else though. If there's any nature lovers that know anything about that, why don't you email me and tell me if that's something that they grow like that or if it's something that just fell. Because I would be happy to learn about that. Okay, everybody, I had to get this beautiful scenery here coming up with the sun setting and the old bridge that we crossed once before. Now we're going to bag over it.
Alright, well, that's going to be it for this evening.
Glad you guys joined us for our journey.
And we want to thank you all for joining us. Minnesota Ghost Wranglers, Miss Leanne, Cowboy Brock, wishing you a good evening. Until we see you again, see you on the flip side.
Bye.
Bye.